Hello and welcome to this course. In this video, I will show you how you can place lights in your architectural plan. So for that reason, I will go to this ceiling plan section and minimize this floor plan section so that I don't place my lights in the flooring plans. Instead, I should place the lights in the ceiling plan. So I will go to ground floor ceiling plan. Then you can see the difference. It is a floor plan for the ground floor and this is the ceiling plan for the ground floor. Now I will go to the systems tab, and then in the electrical tab you can see that there is a lighting fixture, or the tooltip assistance is showing me the command for importing light fixture is LF. So I will just click here. It is currently saying that no lighting fixture family is loaded in the project. So would you like to load one? Yes. Then I will go to my required folder. Let's say if I have yes lighting folder architecture, and since I require lights for the ceiling, I will click on internal. And now I have three types of ceiling. So let's try to import two or three types of lights into our plan. So this is a linear light. Let's just place, if we have the light that is 2 by 4 or 2 by 2 in size. So I have a troffer light which is 2 by 2. I will click this one, and also 2 by 4, and let's click some down lights. Now these are for under cabinet. Let's click this down light recessed. So click open. Now in the properties palette you can see that the troffer light 2 by 2 family has been loaded, also the other families, and under these families you can see that based upon their wattage there are different types. So let's just assume that for 2 by 2 ceiling I want 120 voltage light, so I will click on it. You can also see that the constraints for this light is actually the elevation from that level, which is 8 feet, and it is equal to the ceiling level. If you have already followed our ceiling tutorial, then you should know that this is equal to the ceiling level. Now you can see that if I bring my cursor to any wall, then Revit does not allow me to place the light. But if I bring my cursor to the ceiling, then surely I can place it here. So I will just go to the 2 by 2 ceiling and place it here. You can see that it is almost aligned to the ceiling line. So I will align it and to this edge as well. Now this light is completely aligned. Now I want to copy it, so I will just click and enter 8 space 0, which is 8 feet. If I select both of them and then copy them simultaneously, then I can do that as well. So I will just click 8 feet, 8, and then 8, and then 8. So it's totally up to you that how many lights do you need based upon your calculation and your space. And now for the second type of light, I will just click here again, and this time I want to place 2 by 4 light, but voltage should be the same as before, so 120 volt. And now as you can see that this light is horizontal, but our ceiling is kind of in other directions. So I will press space bar. No, it is not rotating, so I will click it, just place it anywhere, and then I will rotate it. and now align it to any one of the boxes, and then I will just copy it. So that's how you can place and relocate your lights. Now for the third type of light, down recessed light, let's say 6 inches and same wattage, and I want to apply this light. As you can see that there is currently no ceiling here, so I cannot apply my light here as well. As I move my cursor to any area which has the ceiling, I can apply. So Revit in a way also tells you that you have missing ceiling in those area or not. So let's just apply this light here, and now just copy them. Let's say 5 feet, 5, 5, 5. So you can place lights, you can import the lights, and you can rotate these lights based upon your requirements. And if you have the lights that is not in your Revit library, then you can surely just go to systems, go to lighting fixture, and click on this load family, and from here you can just go to your download folder or anywhere you have downloaded the light from the internet. You can just simply load that family into your Revit file. So that's it for today. If you have any kind of confusion, then please do ask me in the comment section. Thank you.